Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Mysterious Kitchen. Today we are going to make kheer. Let's go ahead and find the mystery of this kheer. Half glass of soaked rice. Adding 1.5 glass of water. Bring it to boil. Now I am going to add 1 liter of fresh milk. Cook it on low flame. Please don't forget to mix it again and again. I am putting half teaspoon of cardamom. The milk is drying. Now we will add half cup of almond and sugar powder. And also we will add half cup of sugar in it. If you like more sweet, then you can add more sugar by your taste. Now we will add half cup of coconut powder. Putting some raisins. Now you can turn off the flame because it's cooked. You can see. Now you can serve it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you like it. Allah Hafiz.